Which of the following option in MS Excel refers to display only rows that meet certain conditions? Merging, sorting, filtering, pivoting.
Filtering.
Filtering, बिल्कुल. Which keyboard shortcut is used to apply a filter in MS Excel? Control plus Shift plus C, Control plus Shift plus K, Control plus Shift plus L, Control plus Shift plus M.
Control Shift L.
L, बिल्कुल. Control plus Shift plus L to apply filter. In MS Excel, which of the following logical function returns true in MS Excel if all its arguments are true? False and not or. Which logical function returns true in MS Excel if all its arguments are true?
And
And, बिल्कुल.
And
And. What is the default alignment of numeric values that are entered into the cell of MS Excel worksheet? Left, right, justify, center.
right.
center.
Right
Right.
alignment. Default alignment of numeric values are right alignment within the cell. Which should be the address of third cell of the fifth row in MS Excel? C5, 35, 5C, 53.
C5.
C5.
C5, बिल्कुल C5. Third cell of the fifth row. In MS Excel, which feature helps us to combine the contents of a cluster of adjacent cells? Which feature helps us to combine the contents of a cluster of adjacent cells? Pivot table, autofill, autosum, charts. ସରିଛି already.
Automation.
Already discussion ସରିଛି autosum. Which function is used to return the number of days between two dates in MS Excel? Date, days, day, find.
Day.
Days, बिल्कुल days. DAYS. Function is used to return the number of days between two dates in MS Excel. The wrap text option is available in which group of Home tab in MS Excel?
Home tab.
The wrap text option is available in which group of Home tab in MS Excel? Font, alignment, cells, styles.
Alignment.
Alignment, बिल्कुल. Wrap text is available in alignment group of Home tab in MS Excel. Which option of Home tab is used to set a column to a specific width in MS Excel? Which option of Home tab is used to set a column to a specific width in MS Excel? formattage table, format, cell alignment, cell styles.
Format.
Format बिल्कुल format option of home tab in MS Excel is used to set a column to a specific width. Which keyboard shortcut is used to create a chart immediately after selecting the data in MS Excel? Which keyboard shortcut is used to create a chart immediately? Alt plus F1, F2, F3, F4.
F4.
Alt plus F1.
Alt plus F1 बिल्कुल Alt plus F1. Keyboard shortcut is used to create a chart immediately after selecting the data in MS Excel. In MS Excel, which function key is used to instantly change a cell reference in a formula to absolute? Which function key is used to quickly change a cell reference in a formula to absolute? F1, sorry, F2, F4, F10, F12.
F4.
F4,
F4.
बिल्कुल. In MS Excel, F4 function key is used to instantly change a cell reference in formula to absolute. Which operator in MS Excel operator which operator in MS Excel raises a number to a power? Percent sign, caret, forward slash, asterisk. କୋଉ ଅପରେଟରଟା ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ MS Excelରେ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବରର ପାୱାର ବତେଇବା ପାଇଁ? percent sign, caret, forward slash, asterisk.
Forward slash.
caret
ଉପରେ
caret
ଯୋଉଟା
ଟୋପି ଭଳିଆ ଥାଏ ଯୋଉଟା ସେଇଟା
जोटा उल्टा भी
ହଁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ଭି ତ ସେଇଟା caret operator is used to raise a number to a power. A dash is a computer program that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Textbook, workbook, spreadsheet, numbers.
spreadsheet.
Spreadsheet, बिल्कुल. Spreadsheet is a computer program that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Which keyboard shortcut is used to strike through the contents of a cell in MS Excel? Which keyboard shortcut is used to strike through the contents of a cell in MS Excel? Control plus P, Control plus S, Control plus 5, Control plus 6.
Control plus 5.
बहुत बढ़िया. Control plus 5 is used to strike through the contents of a cell in MS Excel. To automatically open a specific workbook when you start MS Excel, you can place that workbook in which folder? To automatically open a specific workbook when you start MS Excel, you can place that workbook in which folder? Desktop, Startup, Excel Start, all programs.
Excel start.
Setup.
Excel Start, बिल्कुल. To automatically open a specific workbook in Excel Start folder, we have to keep the workbook. Cell merging options are available in which group of home tab in MS Excel? Cell merging option is available. Number group, font group, alignment group, styles group.
Alignment.
Alignment group.
बिल्कुल.
Home.
Cell merging option is available in alignment group of home tab. Which paste special option is used to maintain formatting like font size, color, etc. of pasted text in MS Excel? Which paste special option is used to maintain the formatting of pasted text in MS Excel. Picture, keep text only, keep source formatting, merge formatting.
Source formatting.
Keep source formatting. Keep source formatting option is used to maintain the formatting of pasted text in MS Excel. Paste कला बेले option टा दिखाए ता द्वारा सेम फॉर्मेटिंग टा मेंटेन हबो फॉन्ट साइज कलर सब कुछ which keyboard shortcut is used for inserting a new line in the same cell in MS Excel which keyboard shortcut is used for inserting a new line in the same cell in MS Excel worksheet alt plus enter control plus enter tab plus enter shift plus enter
Alt plus
All
enter.
paper.
बिल्कुल alt plus enter की shortcut is used for inserting a new line in the same cell in MS Excel worksheet. Pressing which key will cancel all edits made to cell contents in an MS Excel worksheet? Pressing which key will cancel all edits made to the cell contents in MS Excel worksheet? Enter key, shift key, escape key, insert key.
Escape.
बिल्कुल ESC escape key will cancel all edits made to the cell contents in MS Excel worksheet. Which is not a valid way to edit the contents of active cell in MS Excel. कोउ ऑप्शन चारटा ऑप्शन भितर तीनटा ऑप्शन रे एडिट हे परिबो को ऑप्शन रे एडिट ऑप्शन आसीएनी क्लिकिंग ऑन द फार्मूला बार डबल क्लिकिंग द एक्टिव सेल pressing F5 key pressing F2 key कोउथि
F5.
F5.
बिल्कुल F5 रे एडिट हुएनी F2 की रे प्रेस कले एडिट हे परिबो डबल क्लिक कले भी हुए आउ क्लिकिंग ऑन फार्मूला बार भी हुए which software is used for mathematical and statistical calculation and for preparation of graphs MS PowerPoint MS Word MS Excel WordPad
PowerPoint.
कौन PowerPoint Excel ना
Excel. Sorry.
an Excel workbook is assigned a temporary name as what गोटे MS Excel रे कौन डिफॉल्ट नेम थे वर्कबुक रो बुक 1 बुक -1 बुक कॉमा 1 बुक @1
Book
Book
1.
1.
One.
बुक 1 बिल्कुल hyperlink option in MS Excel is available in which menu hyperlink option formulas view file insert
Insert.
insert बिल्कुल insert मेनू रे था hyperlink option what is the default value of decimal places in number type formatting of cell in MS Excel what is the default value of decimal places in number type formatting of cell in MS Excel 1 2 3 4
3.
2 MS Excel displays numbers with two decimal places by default. Which tool is used for data analysis? MS Word, MS Access, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint.
MS Excel.
Excel. MS Excel is also called what? Table, document, label, spreadsheet.
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 Sheet. Which menu bar is used to make chart in MS Excel? Which menu bar? Data, insert, home, formula.
Home.
Insert. Make chart in MS Excel. Insert of bar. There is grid of rows and column in each worksheet of MS Excel. थाउ दरकार नहीं. When MS Excel is launched, which tab is active by default? Data, Formula, Home, View.
Home.
बिल्कुल. Home tab is active by default. Which is a correct sum formula in any spreadsheet? कहब equal to sum bracket A1 ampersand A2 equal to sum A1 has A2 equal to sum A1 inverted comma A2 equal to sum A1 minus hyphen A2 comma A3.
Second टा
कोटा करेक्ट अच्छी हैश लागेनी एम्परसैंड लागेनी इन्वर्टेड कमा भी लागेनी तो करेक्ट फॉर्मूला है लास्ट इक्वल टू सम A1 हाइफेन जोटा हाइफेन कहीदेली से माइनस A2 A1 माइनस A2 भूल कहीदेली टिके A1 माइनस A2 कमा A3 हेले बुझी ही था नहीं. What is the address of first cell of MS Excel spreadsheet? What is the address of first cell of MS Excel spreadsheet? 1A,
A1
A1,
A
1Z, Z1.
A1.
A1 बिल्कुल. What is the address of second cell in MS Excel worksheet considering cell numbering in a row wise order? A1, B1, A2, 1B.
A2.
A2
Row wise order. B1.
B1
Which option can be used to quickly generate a list of dates in sequential order in MS Excel? Which option can be used to quickly generate a list of dates in sequential order in MS Excel? Auto hide, auto complete, fill handle, auto run.
auto complete
Fill handle.
Fill.
Fill handle. In MS Excel, fill handle is a tool that auto fills the rows or columns with list of dates values in sequential order. Which feature of MS Excel is used to automate the data entered in a defined sequence? Automate the data entered in a defined sequence. Style, autofill, intending alignment.
Autofill.
Autofill, बिल्कुल autofill. In MS Excel, the basic function of which function is to join two or more text strings together. VLOOKUP, DSUM, concatenate, SUMIF.
Concatenate.
बिल्कुल.
concatenate
In MS Excel, concatenate function is used to join several text strings into one text string. In MS Excel 2007, by default any file is saved with which extension? .xlx, .xls, .xlxs, .xlsx.
dot XLXS
Last.
First S ଆସିବ ନା X ଆସିବ?
S.
X ଆସିବ
S
S.
ଆସିବ S first S ଆସିବ dot x l s x last ରେ x ଆସିବ ଏଇ extension ଥିଲା 2007 ର which of the following is the extension of Excel workbooks dot txt dot zip dot jpg dot xls
last ଟା
dot xls बिल्कुल An MS Excel file can be called a what? File. Uchela. Cell book, grid sheet, worksheet, workbook.
Workbook.
Spreadsheet.
Workbook. There should be minimum dash worksheet of workbook in MS Excel. There should be minimum dash worksheet of workbook.
Scene. Sheet 3.
3.
Single गोटे मिनिमम गोटे हेबा कथा
हाँ मिनिमम
मैक्सिमम केतरा वर्कशीट ऐड ही परिबो गोटे वर्कबुक रे
5टा
255 an excel workbook is a collection of what worksheets charts both
वर्कशीट
वर्कशीट
अरे तमे काम करू न काय आसिलो
सर सर देजी
कोन सार देजो भूल भाल हे गेले फसी जीवो
सोई पड़िबो काम सर देलु आप जा सखाळे करबो
आ सोई पड़ ताहले आ कोन एठी आसिलोनी
हां टिके सर देकी जीबी हो
सोई पड़ जल्दी अपन टाइम मिलिबो
सर करंट अफेयर्स गलानी कोन
ना जाइनी
कॉन्टिनेंट
किछि जाइनी
अच्छा हो सर
तमे जाओ तमे रेस्ट करो हला
आगे
By default, how many sheets are provided in MS Excel 2007 workbook? 2007 workbook रे by default बिल्कुल 3. तो total 255 टा worksheet ऐड ही परिबो गोटे workbook रे MS Excel 2007 रे. By default, what is the name of first worksheet in MS Excel workbook?
sheet 1
Sheet 1 बहुत बढ़िया. When you open a spreadsheet in MS Excel, dash displays the name of Excel worksheet. Title bar, menu bar, formula bar, cell.
Title bar.
title bar
From which name is file known as to be made by MS Excel software generally? From which name?
xls
Option हला
गुड एक्सटेंशन टा
cell, worksheets, workbook, grid.
वर्कबुक
बिल्कुल. What is the shortcut key to enable filtering? आप थोड़े पचली. In MS Excel.
Alt F5
नामो enable करिया पे filtering. Control plus Shift plus L. Control plus Shift plus L. Lotus 123, Quato Pro, Calc are popular examples of what? DBMS, spreadsheet package, word processing software, backup utility.
Spreadsheet package.
Spreadsheet. बिल्कुल. What is the fundamental unit of Excel worksheet where data is entered? Tab, box, cell, none of these.
Cell.
Cell. In a computer, a menu contains a list of what? Objects, data, commands, report. मेनू रे
Data.
है लिस्ट ऑफ काण थे मेनू रे
कमांड्स
कमांड्स थे गोटे मेनू रे लिस्ट ऑफ कमांड्स थे जेंति कट पेस्ट सेव क्लोज मेनू ए सब थाए कोथरे थाए
होम रे
थाए होम रे ना फाइल रे
होम रे थे
होम रे Which country became the 97th member of ISA, International Solar Alliance?
पनामा
पानामा बिल्कुल. और रिसेंटली 99th मेंबर के हिजी एटा तो पुराना न्यूज़ थिला
स्पेन
बिल्कुल स्पेन एटा बेसी इंपोर्टेंट स्पेन टा इन 99th एबे रिसेंट होला. India's first AI teacher humanoid robot has been unveiled at Kerala Trivandrum.
केरला
What is its name?
Iris.
आइरिस
बिल्कुल Iris. Modi ji inaugurated India's first under river metro tunnel in which city?
कोलकाता
Kolkata.
कलकत्ता
कोलकाता
कोलकाता बिल्कुल। मोदी जी inaugurated 5000 कोटी holistic agriculture development program in which state or UT?
जम्मू काश्मीर
जम्मू काश्मीर बिल्कुल। शंकराचार्य हिल को जाइथिले मोदी जी को सिटी रे अछि?
श्रीनगर।
श्रीनगर
श्रीनगर बिल्कुल। Recently, which state government has issued notification to classify sacred groves, orans, devbans, and ruins as deemed forest? को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इश्यू करछि नोटिफिकेशन टू क्लासिफाई ओरान्स जो सैक्रेड ग्रुप्स कहती देवबंस और रून्स तांको फॉरेस्ट बोली घोषणा करछि? राजस्थान। राजस्थान
राजस्थान
रिसेंटली which two states have become the first states to launch auction of exploration license blocks for critical and deep seated minerals?
कर्नाटक, राजस्थान।
Karnataka and Rajasthan are the first states to launch auction of exploration license EL blocks for critical and deep seated minerals. Recently, which state has become the first to declare man animal conflict as state specific disaster?
केरला।
Kerala, first state to declare man animal conflict as a state specific disaster. Recently, which state government has launched Ningal Nalama scheme?
तमिलनाडु।
Tamil Nadu. Ningal Nalama mane hela Are You Fine scheme. Who has become the first member of Sikh community in Pakistan to take oath as a minister in Punjab province? Sardar Suran Singh, Sardar Meherwan Singh, Sardar Ramesh Singh Arora, Sardar Gurpreet Singh.
सरदार रमेश सिंह।
बिल्कुल सरदार रमेश सिंह अरोरा। जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज सी डिफेंडर 2024 इंडिया को कंट्री भितर हेतला रिसेंटली?
यूएस।
यूएसए कोठी हेतला? पोर्ट ब्लेयर अंडमान एंड निकोबर। पोर्ट ब्लेयर रे हेतला। रिसेंटली फास्ट ग्लोबल सर्विकल कैंसर एलिमिनेशन फोरम कोठी हेतला को कंट्री रे? अर्जेंटीना, बोलिविया,
कोलंबिया।
कोलंबिया, पेरू। बिल्कुल
कोलंबिया
2024 प्रिtzker आर्किटेक्चर प्राइज काहाकु मिलिला? नॉर्मन फोस्टर, रेंजो पियानो, रिकेन यामामोटो, फ्रैंक गेहरी।
रिकेन यामामोटो।
बिल्कुल रिकेन यामामोटो। राजेश रनाजिट। रिसेंटली साहित्य अकादमी हैज अनाउंस्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज साहित्योत्सव 2024 इन व्हिच सिटी? साहित्योत्सव
न्यू दिल्ली।
न्यू दिल्ली बिल्कुल। वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल साहित्योत्सव 2024 न्यू दिल्ली रे हितला। काहाकु रिसेंटली अवार्ड कराइछि डिसरप्टर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड 2024 नेशनल क्रिएटर्स अवार्ड्स रे? नमन देशमुख, रणबीर अल्लावादिया, गौरव चौधरी, अंकित बयनपुरिया। रणबीर अल्लावादिया। ये कौन अल्लाहाबाद रे जन्म होइतिला कि अल्लाहाबादिया कर देले जे? रणबीर अल्लावादिया डिसरप्टर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड। एग्जाम रे पड़िबोनी एटा किंतु। According to recently released National Cooperative Database 2023, which state has the highest number of cooperative society?
महाराष्ट्र।
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र
President standard is awarded after how many years of service? 15, 18, 22, 25. केते वर्ष काम कला पर प्रेसिडेंट स्टैंडर्ड दिया जाए?
18 years।
18 years बिल्कुल 18 years। रिसेंटली को कंट्री को मिजल्स एंड रूबेला चैंपियन अवार्ड मिली?
इंडिया
इंडिया को बिल्कुल। कहीं ना से टारगेट सेट करथिला ऑलरेडी टू एलिमिनेट मिजल्स एंड रूबेला बाय 2023 सेति पाई। जल